Good morning from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Gaylord, Michigan. This is the latest hazardous weather briefing for eastern upper and northern lower Michigan. Today is Wednesday, August the 7th, 2013. First, a quick look at the hazardous weather highlights for the next several days. All the action will be through today. A few thunderstorms will remain possible through early morning across much of northern Michigan, with a few strong to severe storms possible, producing wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour. Additional thunderstorms are possible across northeast lower Michigan this afternoon. A few strong storms may produce wind gusts in excess of 50 miles per hour this afternoon. Starting out with the overnight weather map, quite the active weather pattern for the overnight period. We have an area low pressure that spans from Ontario down through Lake Superior and into Wisconsin, with a cold front that then swings into the plains. Nice line of showers and storms managed to develop across Wisconsin last evening and then raced through Wisconsin during the overnight period and ultimately into northern lower Michigan just in the last several hours. Strong to severe storms did impact eastern Wisconsin last night. These storms did manage to weaken just a bit as they got into northern lower Michigan here early this morning, but it was enough to prompt severe thunderstorm watches and a few warnings for parts of northern lower Michigan during the overnight period. This line of showers and storms will exit east of the region by mid-morning this morning, with mainly dry weather then expected through the rest of the morning. However, we do have to get this cold front to move through the area here as we get into the afternoon, and this may yet set the stage for additional shower and thunderstorm development this afternoon, and primarily across northeast lower Michigan, where temperatures will be warmer, or the warmest this afternoon. Stepping through the forecast weather maps, by this evening and during the overnight period, that cold front will then exit east of the area with a large expanse of high pressure then building into the western Great Lakes. This will clear things out with cooler air and drier air moving into the region for tonight, bringing an end to our rain threat. And then high pressure will settle into the region for the next couple of days, bringing mainly dry weather and cool temperatures once again through at least the end of the week and likely into the weekend. Here is a quick look at the Day 1 severe weather outlook. And again, we do expect some stronger storms this afternoon, but it looks like the best threat for severe weather will be down across southeast lower Michigan. But once again, areas across northeast lower Michigan, especially heading towards Saginaw Bay, could see a few stronger storms this afternoon. And just a quick look at the next 8 to 14 day outlook for the region. We are still slated to remain below normal in the temperature department right on through the mid toward the latter half of August, with precipitation running at or slightly above normal. So wrapping it all up, more storms possible this afternoon as that cold front swings on through. Then showers and storms ending by evening, with seasonable and less humid conditions through the weekend. But for today, morning storms ending, and a few more storms possible this afternoon. Highs will be in the lower to middle 70s. And once again, just recapping that hazards outlook, thunderstorms will impact parts of northern Michigan through early morning. A few storms may produce severe, damaging wind gusts. Additional storms are possible this afternoon, particularly across northeast lower Michigan. And some storms may yet become strong to severe, with the main threat being damaging winds and large hail. Well, that concludes this hazardous weather briefing for this morning. Thanks for listening in. The next update will occur by 5 p.m. this afternoon.